More people need to know the benefits of purchasing a primary residence and the financing available to those people. So when purchasing a primary residence, those are some of the best loan programs that are available to you. As a real estate investor, if you're buying it as an investment property, usually you have to put more money down. There are different loan products, higher interest rates, a lot of things change. But if you're buying for a primary residence and doing a house hack or any of those strategies, you're able to put down as little as 3.5% down and get a very, very good interest rate, pretty much the lowest interest rates that are out there. And now you need to live in that property for only 1 year, so you can rent out all the other rooms, live in one room for a year. After a year, you can move out of that house, rent out the rest of the rooms, and do it over again. So this is the best strategy for someone just getting started that maybe has a regular job but wants to get started in real estate investing. Number one place to start is buying a property for yourself, using one of these primary residence financing methods, moving into it for a year, and then renting that property after 1 year and repeating that process over and over and over again. You can do that as many times as you want.